Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. It is May 30th for Kyushu Institute of Technology, week number 7 for English 7D presentations. So first, let me apologize. I'm very sorry about last week. I was not feeling well. And basically, I just took away the Zoom meeting. But even though there was no Zoom meeting, okay, you still have to do the important person thing, video submission. Now, it looks like most of the people who are attending this, actually, I should switch this over to the teacher view. Most of the people who are attending the class submitted their assignments, and I still have to mark them all, but thank you very much for submitting your assignments. Now, let me go back to student view. If you have not yet done this, remember, it is better for you to get some points than 0 points. So if you have not yet submitted your assignment for the submission for the assignment from 2 weeks before, please make sure that you do. It's still worth a lot. Now, this week, okay, is May 30th, and I wanted to announce last week that our first face-to-face class will be in 2 weeks on June 6th. And that the room will be room number 104 in the Interactive Practice Center, or that building is also called Mirais. So if you go into the building, it's the room that's furthest into the building on the first floor. It's room number 104. You go past a couple of common rooms, and then at the very end, there's only one classroom, and that is classroom number 104. That's the Mirais building, Interactive Practice Center, room 104. Now, as far as I know, we will be meeting on June 6th, but depending on, actually, I'm thinking about it right now. I have not yet heard from those two gentlemen who here from the Malaysia. And actually, what should I do? Yeah, you know what? We're going to have our first face-to-face class on June 6th. So just made up my mind. Just right now, our class will be on June 6th. Okay, so next week we will have no Zoom room. Okay, I will take out this Zoom room, and you will have a meeting on June 6th in the Interactive Practice Center, room number 104 on June 6th for this class. Okay, this will be the last Zoom class that we'll have. This week, we're going to be looking at using Quizlet again to help you with the phrases from Unit 4. We're not going to do Unit 3. We're going to be going straight to Unit 4. We'll be using Quizlet to reinforce those phrases. If you're not attending this class, I suggest very strongly that you actually take a look at this week's study set here on here on Quizlet and study this by yourself. It would be a very good idea, but we're going to be studying this together in this class. After we do some Quizlet, then we'll be doing some fluency practice, and you have your presentation manuscript for opinions due this Sunday at 11 p.m. Now, I should tell you that I'm going to be moving the class from the walking video assignments that we did for the first two presentation assignments, and we're going to be doing live presentations. So between now and let's see, I guess that would be August 2nd. Or is it? No, August 9th. Sorry, August 9th is our last class. We'll be doing work to do live presentations. So probably opinions and stories and your choice will be the last 3 units that we will do in the textbook, because I want to spend more time working on your presentation style in front of a live audience. In any case, we'll be looking at that from next week, but opinions, the presentation manuscript, is what you have to submit to the Moodle on Sunday, June 5th, this Sunday, June 5th at 11 p.m. If you have any questions, remember, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can talk to me at the end of this class. I'm looking forward to meeting you all in the classroom next week. Thanks a lot, everybody.